This is the worksheet for lesson 27 for the 4th grade one, and I'll be covering it. So the first one's just subtract unlike fractions, so it's pretty simple. I'll do the first one. So we have 5/8 minus 1/3. Now to solve it, we have to make sure that the denominators are the same, and in this case it's not the same. So we want to find the first common multiple of 3 and 8. And so first of all, does 3 go into 8? It doesn't. That's what we want to try first. Put the lower number into the second number and see if it can go in, but it doesn't. So then if it doesn't go in, then you can just cross multiply. Now to cross multiply, it's all you have to do is do 8 times 1 and 5 times 3 like that. So 5 times 3, that's 15, and 8 times 1, that's 8. And then you do 8 times 3 equals 24. So you first do the denominator times the numerator, and this denominator times the numerator, and then denominator times the denominator. So 3 times 5 equals 15, and 8 times 1 equals 8. And then you just put 24 at the bottom. And now they're equivalent. And now you can subtract 15 minus 8, that's 7, and that's 24. And you can't simplify it, so that's all you can do from there. So the answer is 7 and 24. I'll do the next one. 7/8 minus 1/4. Now you could cross multiply, but if you notice that the denominators are 4 can go into 8, you can just you can just double 1/4 to get to make sure the denominators are the same, but we should work on cross multiplying, so I'll just cross multiply for this one. So to cross multiply, you do this denominator times that, so 8 times 1, that's 8. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me rewrite it. 8 times 1, that's 8, and 4 times 7, that's 28. And then 8 times 4, 32. Now you subtract 28 minus 8, that's 20. 20 over 32, and you can simplify it. Since they're both even numbers, you can divide it by 2. But also, if you think about it, 4 can go into 20, and 4 can go into 32. So 4 divided by 20, that's 5. 4 divided by 32, that's 8. So the answer is 5/8. So make sure you just simplify it, and that's how you cross multiply. Now quick review, this is really simple, you should be able to do it. Like 6/10 minus 2/10. It's basically the same thing as here. Since the denominators are the same, you just subtract normally, so it's 4/10, but you can simplify it to 2/5. So yeah. Mixed review, you should be able to do this on your own. Okay, so for extra practice with fractions, I'll do a few more. So, find the sum. Okay, so we have 1/8 plus 5/8. Now, the denominators are the same, so we don't need to worry about it. That's 1 plus 5. And then keep the same denominator, and now we can simplify. So 8 and 6, they're both even numbers, so we can simplify it by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 3/4. I'll do, I'll do one more. And so yeah. So we have 2/6 plus 1/6. We don't need to worry about the denominator, so 2 plus 1, that's 3. And then keep the same denominator. Now, 3 over 6. We know that since 3 is half of 6, we could just simplify it to 1/2. Or you can just divide 3 from the top and bottom. So it's 1/2. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching.